May, are you excited to go back to your school, May?
Yes.
You have bag
Yes.
and
many things.
many things
Yeah.
like book,
Books.
notebook,
Book
and
and
pencil.
pencil. And
So you will write there?
yeah, I will sharp it.
Huh?
I sharp on my sharpener. Like Korea.
You sharp
Look.
your sharpener?
Wait, look! A swimming ice trash. Ice trash. Bing, 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 bing.
What happened to the blades? What happened
Yep,
to the
ice. Yep,
Have
ice
the
trash.
ice?
Ice trash.
Ice straw?
Look, a hair dryer. Hair dryer. And a cloth. The hair dryer. The hair dryer.
What they will use?
The hair dryer.
The hair dryer?
Yeah, you milk the ice.
Nabasa saw?
No.
Nabasa sa ice?
No.
Di nga, kinailan niya i-dry.
You use the hair dryer.
Para?
You use the hair dryer to melt the ice.
Okay. Magamit siya galing sa hair dryer para
Yeah.
matunaw ang
See,
ice.
It's melt on ice water.
Ay, may mo na lang ice water. Okay.
See? It passed the ice.
Slippery
my.
na guro.
There's one ice and fell down. It cuts itself. That boat is cutting so many pieces. It's in water. It's in water and sinking.
Oh my gosh. Nasira yung ship niya.
Yes.
Di masink na lang siya.
Look at that water inside.
Hala, nagsulod ang
We help the beaver. Look, it's a beaver.
Ang baby.
You want to help? Yeah. See?
Sagad.
It's building something.
Paano niya na, be? Paano siya mag-help, be?
Because it's helping.
Paano niya i-help? Mahimo siya sa...
Fix the boat.
Para i-cover pala sa
How about
boat.
this one? How about this shape?
How many shapes you have?
This one. This one. This one.
So what
that
the shape
one.
is that?
That is what they call. What is that shape?
Wow, galing-galing
It
naman,
fits.
baby.
It fits. It fits.
Na-fix
How about
na?
this one? Help us.
Oh, help mo daw.
There's so
I-help
many
siya ng
pieces.
baby.
See, it's cutting some
Ay,
pieces.
galing-galing. Sharp pala yung teeth ng baby.
Yeah.
Hmm.
This one.